how to connect AirPods to Samsung TV. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your AirPods to your Samsung Smart TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the settings on your Samsung TV. Over here, you can either press the settings button on your remote or navigate to the home screen and move over to the gear icon. After that, click on the gear icon and select sound. Then move to the right and choose sound output. Over here, it will show TV speaker as the current output. Next, select Bluetooth speaker list. Then grab your AirPods and open the case. Over here, press and hold the button on the back of the AirPods case until the light starts blinking white. After that, go back to your TV and it should display your AirPods in the list of available devices. Select your AirPods, click OK on the remote, and wait for the pairing process to complete. Once the AirPods are connected, you can now enjoy watching Netflix or any content on your Samsung TV with your AirPods. So that's how you can connect your AirPods to Samsung TV. That's all for this video.